what I was saying. So, now, we also have something for you in the Prime Minister. We are looking forward to the King coming to visit with us. However, since you have come, since you are taking so brilliantly, and we have come to ensure that this ceremony goes on very, very well, we have a small visit for you. This is a call which my brother was having me put on. Without having to take off this one. You see, the beauty of this is that, both parties and Asante, when you put on that, we wear our shoulder. It may be left or it may be right. But it shows that we have nothing hidden under our armpit. We can't have it. So it shows our purity of intention and our action. So I ask you to put this on and then I see. Thank you. You say that only to the king. To the king.
A wonderful gesture of gifts from the kingdom to the president of Seychelles, and of course the Prime Minister of Asantehene. We have the great-grandchildren and the grandchildren of King Prempeh the First, here to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the return of King Prempeh. The great-grandchildren and the grandchildren, descendants, true royal descendants of King Prempeh the First. Some living here, some living in Seychelles, here to celebrate their great-grandfather, King Prempeh the First. We are gradually ending the activities marking the 25th anniversary of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II, who carries the past, the present, and the future of the Asante Kingdom. The descendants of King Prempeh I, who live in Seychelles, are here to celebrate the centenary anniversary of King Prempeh I. On the streets of Victoria, you will hear names like Asante, Nyako, Sewa, Akosia. Today, the Prime Minister of Asantehene is adorning rich Kente club as we anticipate King Zwati III here in Kumasi somewhere this year. We continue to give gratitude to Ghana's Minister of Foreign Affairs and the incoming Secretary General of the Commonwealth, Excellency Shirley Ayoko Boche. It has been historic. It has been memorable, the celebration of the centenary anniversary of King Prempeh I. The great-grandfather of the descendants, they are all here. Just received notice that the Member of Parliament for Bantama constituency, the Honorable Minister, Roads and Highways, Ajumara, Honorable Asesedwa, and the Honorable Regional Minister, the working one, the longest serving Regional Minister, Honorable Simon Osei Mensam, leading delegation from the government, including the Mayor of Asante, the Mayor of the Garden City, the Chief Executive Officer of the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, Honorable Samuel Pine, leading the delegation of government to pay tribute and homage to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei II. Member of Parliament for Bantama, Minister of Roads and Highways, Jumara, Honorable Francis Asesedwa. And again, we have the Director of Cultural Affairs at the Presidency, Ordinary Theresa Addison. We welcome also the former Deputy Regional Minister, Mr. Andy Okrai. I just saw him, Nana Yasantewa, was here to exchange courtesies with the President of Seychelles and the Prime Minister of Swatini and members of the diplomatic corps, including...
Hello, comments, so we don't listen.
Otumfuachiame